Professor Wergele here, continuing on with JavaScript. We looked at scripts in the head and externally. We're going to talk about them in the body as well. So in the bottom of the body, I can put a script tag here, and it's going to be an internal script. And inside the body here, I can put some code. So let's say I do a console log here in the body. So I can say body hi, or I can do a window alert, depending on what print I want to do. Body hello. Or I can grab something by an ID and change the contents of it. So I can do a document, and what I like is brackets autocomplete. So document.get element by ID. Just hit enter, put the ID. So I'm going to grab the demo ID, which is up here in this paragraph tag. And right now the inner HTML is empty. There's nothing in the HTML. So I'm going to grab the inner HTML and change the contents to, let's say, body hello. So if I refresh the page, you'll see the head says hello, then the external script will say howdy, and then the body will also say hello. Once I click OK, the body loads, scroll down, and you'll see the contents of the paragraph tag has changed. It was empty, and now it's going to say body hello. So JavaScript can also be in the body. Now, there's one more method that I can use to print or to show JavaScript, but it's very rarely used and should only be used for testing. They have the document write method, and I've seen it used in some production sites. Sometimes people will use it to print outputs or change content, but this is hardly used anymore, and I don't recommend using it, but the option is available. So we do have document.write. However, if you're going to do prints or you're testing your code, either do a console log or do a window alert. Document write's actually not recommended. Now, for the external script, it can also be placed in the body. I show it in the head here. I can copy this script tag, put it in the body. Okay, save it. I'm going to refresh the page. So if I refresh the page, you'll see head hello, external howdy, body hello, external howdy. Okay, so I can put as many script tags or external scripts as I want. I can put scripts in the head or the bottom of the body. Now, if I put this external script tag at the top of the body, let's see what happens. Okay, so I'll refresh. You'll see head hello, external howdy again, body hello. Okay, so it loads as if you would think it would load, because remember, HTML loads sequentially. However, if you're going to be putting script tags in the body, make sure they're at the bottom of the body. Okay, this is proper programming techniques. You don't usually see script tags at the top of the body. So if you do that in an interview, they're going to know that you haven't seen that before. So you either put the script tags in the head or you put them in the bottom of the body. That's going to be a test question. Okay, so remember, script tags go in the bottom of the body, because if you put them at the top of the body, you don't get that efficiency. The efficiency occurs when the script tag's at the bottom of the body. If you put it at the top, you're defeating the purpose of putting it in the body in the first place. So if you put it at the top of the body, you might as well have it in the head. You only get that speed up of the page load when the script tag's at the bottom of the body. Now, what do I mean by the speed up? Well, here, if I refresh the page, you'll see the page hasn't loaded yet because it's waiting on this script tag to load. So I have to go through all the scripts, and now the page finally loads. If I take these scripts out of the head, I'm just going to delete them for a second. You don't need to. Just look right here. Save it, do a refresh. You'll see the content loads, and then the script tag loads. Let me do a hard refresh here. So if I hold down the refresh button, you can see I can empty the cache and do a hard reload. I think one of the scripts was cached there. So here you're going to see the content loads and then the script tag executes. So I don't have to wait for those script tags to execute. The body's going to load and then the script tag executes. So you get a little bit more efficiency there. That's it for this subsection. We're going to go back to the slides. We learned how JavaScript goes into script tag. The script tag goes in the head or the bottom of the body. And we've seen the pros and cons for each. We've also looked at external scripts. Continue to the next video. We're going to go back to the slides, look at some more concepts. Stick with Professor Wergele.